Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class, let us discuss about the last concept of coordinate geometry, that is area of triangle, and also I am solving some example problems related to area of triangle. So before starting this class, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all your friends. Fifth question, if a of minus 5 comma 7, b of minus 4 comma minus 5, c of minus 1 comma minus 6 and d of 4 comma 5 are the vertices of a quadrilateral, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So now let's solve this problem. Solution. To understand this question, first let us draw the quadrilateral. This is quadrilateral and this is the vertex A and this is B, this is C and this is D. The coordinates of the vertex A is given by minus 5 comma 7. Minus 5 comma 7. And the coordinates of the vertex B is given by minus 4 comma minus 5. Minus 4 comma minus 5. Next, the coordinates of the vertex C is given by minus 1 comma minus 6. Minus 1 comma minus 6. And the coordinates of the vertex D is given by 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5. Now when we join the vertex B and D, we will get two triangles. That is, the first triangle is ABD and the second triangle is BCD. To find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD, first we need to find out the area of the triangle ABD and BCD. So first let us calculate the area of the triangle ABD. For triangle ABD, x1 y1 is given by for triangle ABD, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. x1 y1 is given by minus 5 comma 7. Next, x2 y2 is given by minus 4 comma minus 5 and x3 y3 is given by 4 comma 5. Now let us write the formula to find out the area of the triangle. Now area of triangle ABD is given by area of triangle ABD is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now let us substitute all these values in the formula, which is equal to 1 by 2 into the value of x1 is minus 5 into the value of y2 is minus 5 minus the value of y3 is 5 plus the value of x2 is minus 4 into the value of y3 is 5 minus the value of y1 is 7 plus the value of x3 is 4 into the value of y1 is 7 minus the value of y2 is minus 5. Which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 5 into adding minus 5 and minus 5 we get minus 10 plus into minus minus 4 minus 7 plus 5 gives minus 2 plus 4 into 7 minus into minus is plus 5 which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus into minus plus 5 times 50 minus into minus is plus 4 to 8 plus 4 into 7 plus 5 12 which is equal to 1 by 2 into 50 plus 8 is 58 plus 12 4 48 which is equal to 1 by 2 into adding 58 and 48 we get 106. Now let us divide 106 by 2. We get 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. That is 53 square units. This is the area of triangle ABD value. Now we have to calculate the area of the triangle BCD. Now for triangle BCD, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. For triangle BCD, x1 y1 is given by this is x1 y1, that is minus 4 comma minus 5. Next x2 comma y2 is given by this is x2 comma y2, that is minus 1 comma minus 6. Minus 1 comma minus 6 and x3 comma y3 is given by this is x3 comma y3, that is 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5. Now let us calculate the area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle BCD is given by 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now let us substitute all these values in the formula, which is equal to 1 by 2 into the value of x1 is minus 4 into the value of y2 is minus 6 minus the value of y3 is 5 plus the value of x2 is minus 1, the value of y3 is 5 minus the value of y1 is minus 5 plus the value of x3 is 4 into the value of y1 is minus 5 minus the value of y2 is minus 6. Which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 4. Adding minus 6 and minus 5 we get minus 11 plus into minus minus 1 into 5 minus into minus is plus 5 plus 4 into minus 5 minus into minus is plus 6, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus into minus plus 4 into 11 is 44 minus 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 into 1 is 10 plus 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 into 4 is 4, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 44 minus 10 is 34, 34 plus 4 is 38, that is 38 divided by 2. When we divide 38 by 2, we get 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, that is 19 square units. This the area of the triangle BCD is 19 square units. To get the answer for area of quadrilateral ABCD, we need to add the values of the triangle ABD and the triangle BCD. Okay, so area of quadrilateral ABCD area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Here area of triangle ABD is given by 53 square units. 53 plus area of triangle BCD is 19 square units. 19. So when we add 53 and 19, we get 72 square units. This is the answer for area of quadrilateral ABCD.